Hey guys, this is an unboxing of my all-time favorite Spidey suit so far. It's the one that I've been wearing in basically all my videos. It's the classic Red and Blue Spider-Man suit by Gunheaddesign, and it's printed and assembled by Gunheaddesign. I'll do a full review of the suit soon, but this is just my unboxing video. If you're ordering from Gunheaddesign, be sure to use my discount code for a discount on your purchase. It's Ninja Dash. You can use it at checkout. And I'm just gonna get right into it. Here's the bag with the suit in it. It's printed on the upgraded fabric that they offer at Gunheaddesign. I've had this suit many times, but I've always gone the classic comic book style where I've had removable gloves and removable mask, just because that's how I remember Spidey from the comics and the cartoons. But having said that, I really like the sleek look of having all one piece on the suit and having everything attached together so your mask and everything looks totally seamless. So let's get right into it and have a look at the suit. This is a truly amazing suit. And there's a little something there at the bottom of the bag, which I'm going to look at the end of the video too, so stay tuned for that. Okay, this is just an unboxing right now, and I'll do a full review of the suit later. So this one, like I said, is all one piece. Everything's attached. The gloves are attached. The mask is attached. And there's no eye holes or lenses attached because I'm going to pair that with my face shell and magnetic lenses by John Donaldson. And that's pretty much what I do with all my costumes, except for a couple of my costumes do have attached lenses. And, you know, I just did that for a specific purpose, or there's one that I bought from Amped Up Cosplay that has attached lenses, and I really like that one too. But generally I use face shells and magnetic lenses, and that's what I'm going to do on this puppy. So as you can see, the design is really nice, and I might have a more detailed look at that later in a review, but this is basically my unboxing. Really satisfied with the suit. I didn't use a U-zipper on this suit. I asked for a straight zipper on the back, which was a mistake in retrospect because I was going to glue an emblem on the back, but it doesn't matter because this is a fantastic suit as is. So I'll just go with it because I totally goofed on that and forgot to ask for that feature. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed looking at the suit, and now I'm just going to dive into the bottom of the bag and have a look at the little extra. This is something I asked for to go with a suit that I already have printed. What it is extra gloves and extra sock feet for my classic Spidey suit. Now, I already have a suit with sock feet and gloves, but the gloves are getting really worn down because I've done so much climbing on buildings and parkour kind of stuff with my Spider-Man costume. I really needed these gloves and detached feet for a special build that I'm working on, and that's going to be a totally functional Spider-Man costume with all the classic gadgets, including working web shooters, Spidey signal, belt camera, and all the good stuff. So definitely subscribe and check out that build and all the other fun videos that I have coming up. Thanks for watching my unboxing video, Spidey fans. Cheers!